Feels great.
It feels great to be in a home that's ours.
Yes.
Finally. Done with renting.
I'm Lisa.
And I'm Lindsay. We moved from Vancouver in November, and then we're looking to buy. We're just renting till we found the right place.
We are first-time home buyers, so just navigating the whole process was new to us.
So we went to an open house and met Chelsea because she was representing the sellers there, or the team. And we're just quite impressed with her knowledge of the place, and she's very respectful and personable.
Chelsea was able to answer all of our questions. She was very knowledgeable. She really impressed us when we first met her, and so
we'd been to a lot of open houses and not always had that same experience.
Yes.
So we stayed in touch, and then when we moved a few months later, we met with her and decided to proceed with looking for houses. When we first found the house, I went to an open house actually for it. Lisa was working, and then we finished the open house. I texted Lisa a whole bunch of photos and videos and said, I like this house.
Yeah.
And we contacted Chelsea, and Chelsea arranged a showing for us. I think it was the next day.
Prior showing.
And we went and did a walkthrough, and that was Lisa's first time seeing the house. We ended up proceeding with making an offer, and we were quite surprised our offer was accepted. I think we expected a counter offer, especially as first-time home buyers. We didn't really know if we were going to get everything we wanted, and Chelsea was great with telling us if we wanted the appliance to ask for them, because we didn't want to ask for too much. Yes. And then we ended up, our offer got accepted, and it's a very tight window during the conditional period. So Chelsea connected us to all of these different specialists who were able to fit in within that narrow window, which I don't think we could have done on our own.
Yeah, I don't know if we would have had the confidence to ask for those things ourselves. So really appreciated that she took that initiative and helped us make the most informed decision that we could make.
Now, I've been in the house for 2 months, and they're quite happy.
Just doing little projects around the house now. And enjoying all the nature. I told Lindsay it feels like country living. Even though we're not in the country, we're pretty central, which is really, really nice.
Yeah, it's quite tranquil. This is the fourth place we've lived in just under 5 years, so it's nice to be in somewhere now that we can see ourselves for a long time, and it's just been a really positive experience, and we'd confidently make a recommendation for Chelsea and her team.
100%, yeah.